Hello and welcome. Today we will make something very interesting for Friendship Day. We will make a quotation book for your friend. For this we need some circles. I had taken 7 circles. You can take as much as you want to write for quotation. Take these circles and pin them together with the help of a stapler. So it will become a small book. After that we will take 2 yellow circles of same size that we had cut for this book, and we will paste these yellow circles on this book. Paste on the front side of this book on first circle as well as on the last side of the book on the last sheet. So it's become a small book for your friend. Now let's decorate this book. We will decorate with some heart face that we had made for eyes, because we are making smiley. You can make any stars for eyes as well, but I am making as heart smiley. These are eyes and this is the smile of my smiley. You can make any smiley of your choice. You can use stars as well for the eyes. Now this is our quotation book. We will write our quotations regarding friends in this book. Okay, let's write. So here are some quotations. That is, you laugh, I laugh. You cry, I cry. Love you, lords. Thank you. Happy Friendships Day. Hope you like this video. This is cute little card for your best friend. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.